Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with eBay Partner Network. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in ebaypartnernetwork.com and hit enter. Once the eBay Partner Network homepage loads, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in the required fields such as your full name, email address, and password. Make sure your password meets the necessary security requirements. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Provide your address details in the designated fields. After entering your information, review the terms and conditions. You will need to accept the terms to proceed with registration. Once accepted, click on the Create Account button. A confirmation email will be sent to the email address you provided. Check your inbox and locate the confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. Return to the eBay Partner Network website. Log in using your email address and password. Now that you're logged in, you may be asked to complete your profile. Fill out any additional information requested. This may include your website details or social media profiles. After completing your profile, save your changes. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Consider checking out the resources section for tips and tools. You are now officially registered with the eBay Partner Network. Start using your affiliate links to promote eBay products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.